Hi, welcome to video number 2. My name is Jude, and today we're going to set up our page and make sure it's optimized in the right places. So please follow along and make the necessary changes when necessary on your page to make sure that it really stands out and optimized in the right places. Today we're going to apply the cover, apply the logo, create a username, add a call to action button, how we want our customers to interact with us, and also arrange the tabs among other things. So I'll go ahead and apply my cover here, upload a photo that's already designed by my designers. So I'll upload it here. If you don't have any cover photo yet, you can look through plenty of softwares online, free softwares that you can design a simple cover for your page, or you can hire a professional graphics designer who can set up a nice cover with the products or services that you're selling to make sure that it really stands out from your competition. And also you make sure that the page or the cover is optimized in the right dimensions, so that does not conflict with the profile picture. And remember what I told you is that your page has to be optimized in the mobile preview. It has to be mobile responsive, as many buyers or people are browsing Facebook through their mobile phone. So you have to keep in mind that whatever changes you're making, it has to look good on a mobile device. Alright, if your graphic designer is making for you a cover or you're designing it yourself, you have to make it a point and let them know that they have to optimize for the mobile preview. Alright, having applied my cover, I'll go ahead and apply, edit the profile picture, upload the logo here, have a profile picture here, upload it. Now when you're applying a logo as well, it has to be in line with what I've told you, and make sure that you zoom in and out so that it fits the circle for your logo. Alright, make sure you zoom in and out and actually fits perfectly into the circle for the profile picture. Alright, you can add the description now or later, and make sure that the description you're adding is actually giving the details, the business details, and whatever the business is offering. So you don't add a profile picture and forget to add a description. This is part of the optimization for the page. Whenever someone clicks on your profile picture, boom, they will get a link to your website, they will get contact details, they will get services that you're offering, the products that you're offering. So this is also a chance where people can check out your services or your product when they check out on your outstanding profile picture. So make it a point to add a description whenever you're applying profile picture to your page. The same applies to the cover as well. So all this information and details have to be there. So having done all that, make sure we go ahead and save, apply the changes, the logo and to the cover photo. Make changes here, and boom, there we are. We have a profile picture or a logo here and have our cover photo. Alright, so we go ahead and choose a username. You can create a username, or Facebook can suggest some names here. Alright, let's go ahead and create our username. Let's say Jude Adeo Tege 2020 or anything. You can add some numbers, anything. Or you can put your business name or anything, maybe clothing store, or in Wandegea clothing store, in Lagos, or anything. You can add it here so that people can actually look it up, and it's easy to find on Facebook. And having created a username, go ahead and save it. You're all set. It's done. Right? So your username is already applied. Your logo is on and clear. The cover photo looking nice. So you go ahead and add a call to action button. So now this one entirely depends on how your business is. So there's plenty of buttons you can add here. You can ask the people to call to book your call or your services. You can ask people to call you or contact via the website. You can send a message via messenger, order food, view a gift card, follow your page, send WhatsApp. There's actually a lot of buttons you can choose from. Facebook has a lot of options here to choose from. Shop now, if you have your website integrated into your Facebook page, Facebook shop, so people can actually shop from your shop and redirect it to your website to complete the purchase. So for now, I'll choose call now as my call to action button, and then I'll choose the number. I'll add my number. Then I'll save it. Right? They will send you a confirmation code so that you can enter the code, and then so that you can do all the approval, so that everything is good to go. All right. So now we have covered the logo. Our logo is set. Our username is set. Cover is set, and now we are going to arrange the tabs. All right. Now remember what I told you is that whenever you're applying a profile picture, make sure you add some details of your business. This is another way of actually standing out. Most businesses, they actually ignore this, yet this is very super important. You cannot ignore a profile picture. You need to add details of what you're selling here. So you can, since we are dealing in clothes, now we have to say we have latest men's clothes and UK. So here you can go ahead and add more details like call to actions, people to call you, or WhatsApp, send a WhatsApp message, or put a link to your website where they can complete a purchase, or a Zoom link where they can schedule a call via your Calendly. You can put anything here that can prompt people to take action, to take action whenever they check out your profile picture. So this is another way of actually advertising onto your profile picture. The same thing also applies to your cover photo. Whenever people are browsing through your page, they can actually get to see all this information and they take action. All right. So all this now the information has been added, and then also you apply the same on the cover and other things. Now, having applied all these changes, now we need to go to the About section. Now here in the About section, make sure the About section is also optimized. You have updated the business hours. You need to have a business email. Another mistake that most businesses do or make is they apply personal emails, which is totally wrong. It's not recommended. I wouldn't recommend it. You need to create a free business email, and then you add it here so that it differentiates you from from the personal email and then the business. If it's a brand, like a personalized brand like Jude Tadeo or any other personal brand, you can also create a business email in regard to the personal brand. Also add the call to action button is there. Enter your phone details if you want it to appear, and also you can pretty much do anything here, but make sure this section is optimized. You can also add a picture here. When you edit the info, you can add a picture so that it can show actually here when people are checking. Another thing also we need to look at is arranging the tabs. Okay, we need to arrange the tabs how you want your page to appear. Now in the tab section, you'll find there's so many templates to choose from for your page. Now when you create your page or you already have a page, the templates here you can choose from depending on the business that you do. There's a business template, standard, venue, non-profit, pretty much a lot here that actually goes in line with your business. So choose appropriately what matches your business, and make sure that you optimize the right tabs that you need. All right, don't leave any tabs that you don't need. Make sure the reviews tab is there. The default tabs are all there, and then the others that you can add on, you can turn them on and off as you wish. So having said that, we've arranged the tabs, pretty much done everything, and our page is actually is good to go. One thing you need to check out here is that the audience is turned on. The page audience is not limited to a particular area. It has to be actually open. There are no restrictions. It's visible to everyone. That's also something that you need to look out for. That does it for now in this video number 2. I'll request, if you're finding value right now in these videos, I'll request that you go onto my personal page. That's Jude Tadeo Ontege. Go into the reviews section and leave me a thumbs up in the reviews section here. Do a recommendation and write something nice. Write something nice here to share your feedback on how so far you're finding these courses. How the lessons, how are they helping you? Are they improving? How can I improve these courses, the courses to come? We need to make it super affordable and accessible, and helping as many businesses as possible to get access to this information to help them launch their business online actually in this period and time, this season and time. So thank you so much for following along and being here for all these 40 minutes, and I'll see you in the videos tomorrow.